how are you today? You are going to learn maths with your teacher, Miss Sara. I'm sure you know already how to add and subtract decimal numbers. So it's time to pass to the next level. You are going to learn word problems, adding and subtracting. So, are you ready to start? I can hear you!
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, Captain!
Oh!
So let's go for the first problem. Katie wants to prepare a delicious salad for lunch. She bought in the supermarket some food with 50 euros in total. She bought lettuce, which cost 1.39 cents, lemons, which cost 1.09 cents, tomatoes, which cost 0.79 cents, and green olives, which cost 1.15 euros. The questions are: how much money does she spend in total and how much money does she have left? So, the first thing we have to know to solve a problem is to ask what is the necessary information? What we need to know to do the problem? The data. So we have to write the data. And the data from this problem are all the ingredients which I meant before with the prices and the total amount of euros that Katie has. Okay, so there are two words that appear in this problem that is gonna help us to find the solution. The words are left and spent. Why? Because left means that we need to subtract, and spent means that we need to add with the adding operation. Because the question said how much money does she spend in total? Euros. And the other question said how much money does she have left? So that means how much money does she have right now after buying those products. So the next step we need to know is the questions that I already explained you. And now that we know the questions and the data, we can start with the operations. But we have to ask ourselves also, what is the order of the operations? If we have to add first or subtract, we need to add first to answer the first question. So the first operation would be adding operation, and will be adding 1.39 cents plus 1.09 plus 0.79 plus 1.15, and the solution is 4.42 euros. So that means Katie, she has spent in total 4.45 euros. And now we need to answer the second question. So we need to do a subtraction. How? We need to subtract the total amount, that is 15 euros, less the solution of the addition, that is 4 euros 42. So 15 euros less 40 euros 42 in the line, of course, is very important with the decimal numbers. The solution is 10.58. So this means 10 euros 58 cents. And this number means that Katie has now this amount of money for 10 euros 58 cents. And that's all. Do you have any problem? Okay guys, now it's your turn. Let's go to the action.